Okay. So, good morning, everyone. Today this is, you may say, the last session where I will not even talk about trust. I will not teach you any new concept on trust. I will not tell you anything new about trust. What we will do is we will actually just review the work that you guys are doing, and I and Anupam will help you on preparing for the final project presentation of next week. Okay. I'm hoping that Nathan will also join in anytime. And then three of us will be just taking rounds and guiding you on how to make the presentation. So one thing is clear that the final project presentation will happen on next Saturday's regular class hours. Uh, we will send out a schedule, like send out an XLS where we fill the schedule, and it may happen that we start a little early, just depending on the availability of judges. So you will see more details of it, but this is just to emphasize that it's going to be on next Saturday. The final project presentation is going to be on the next Saturday, coming Saturday. So as I said, not much that I will speak today. Uh, all that I'm going to speak is in the next slide, and that's it. I will not be speaking anything more beyond that. No, there are two more slides. So one thing that I would want to talk to you about is one thing that I want to talk to you about is that when you you know present your idea to someone, what are the different parameters that an investor would keep in mind? So first thing is technology. You, do you have the necessary technology, or does the necessary technology does is it feasible, technically feasible? जो अभी आप idea दे रहे हो, is it technically feasible? ठीक है. Second is market. Now market, whenever you talk of market, you talk of market not just in terms of कि उस चीज की डिमांड है कि नहीं है, but also in terms of, okay, there is a demand, but how much is someone going to pay for it? You remember function upon cost, so value. So market includes the component of value in it. What is the value that this new invention brings? uh, this is the extra cost that is going to be paid, and this is the extra functionality. So what is the value that this invention is bringing to us? And the third is internal alignment. Now, there are two aspects to this internal alignment. One aspect is that, let us say, as an angel investor, as a person who is investing into startups, I already have 10 startups or 5 startups which are solving the same problem as you are. Hmm. And their solutions are probably more mature or something like that. I may decide that I will not fund you, even if your idea is interesting, even if you are, there is a technology that exists, there is a market also for that idea. That is the reason why I supported 5 startups already. You're being the sixth one. I may not support you because I do not want to keep all my eggs in the same basket. I would rather spread my funds out in different regions. Another way to look at it could be that, okay, I already have 5 startups which are working on these 4 or 5 dimensions of this problem. Interestingly, you are working on the sixth dimension of the problem, and therefore I will want to fund you. And therefore, so why I'm telling you this is that as an entrepreneur, you will have to make multiple pitch speeches, multiple of them, and there will be failures abound. बहुत सारी जगह पे आप जाओगे, you will speak something and you will come back disappointed. यार इतनी अच्छी presentation गई थी, लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं. Okay, what I'm telling you is that there could be many reasons behind it. The same fact, someone has already invested in 5 startups with the same idea, with this on the same problem statement. Therefore, he doesn't want to invest in you. Another, or in another context, when you are working on a different dimension of the same problem, the person may want to invest in you because he says that, okay, this may complete the picture, and I may just ask 2 or 3 of these startups to merge and come up with an offering for the customers. Okay, so this internal alignment is a tricky thing. Internal alignment may also involve stuff like, are you capable of handling this project? One is the team, is the Is the idea, is the project aligned to my strategy, my investment strategy, the strategy with which I want to pursue these goals? Another part of internal alignment is that are you ready to take this up? Okay, are you prepared? Do you need more exposure? So if they see that there is something of that sort, they may again not want to fund you. So when you present, you have to also talk about, okay, where is it that you have your strengths and therefore you should be funded. So typically when investors, you know, look back at your pitch and they would rate you in one of the three ways. They would say, okay, what you propose is a star product. It is a high growth market and I am expecting high margins because there is huge demand for it and there is almost no player trying to meet this requirement. Or they would look at it as a cow product where you say that, okay, it's a low growth market, but there are still high margins. And this is a project that you need to survive basically. अगर हमने इस चीज को include नहीं करा, so something like that sixth dimension, that okay, I know that the margins are high, the market is, even if it's low growth, it's a mature market. By going into this, I may possibly trigger a new S curve, or uh, I will at least bring in some more moolah, some more profits. Okay, and the last one would be that, oh, it's a low growth market, and the margins are also going to be low. So entering into this project will actually kill us. So we don't want to support you at all. So that is how investors would typically look at things when you make a pitch. Okay. Any questions here?
Sir, moreover, like in this whatever project or new invention we are thinking, we should more post oriented in this way.
Sorry.
That's mean we are more post oriented, sir. Margin, what margin we are getting, what profit we are getting in this way. But there
Any
are
business,
many projects.
any business is like that. Any sustainable business, if you want to have a sustainable business, then you have to keep an eye on profits. If you're not doing that, you will anyways not survive.
That's mean compromise is also there.
We don't know. But if there is no profit, no one will fund you.
Okay. But there are many social cause oriented projects, and then companies.
Then the currency of profit, or the currency in which you measure profit, is something else.
Yes, sir.
That currency could be social good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I have not talked about currency yet, have I?
No, sir. Okay, sir.
It is about the internal alignment.
Yeah.
That if the currency for your project is social good, that is it. They will look at it in those terms. Okay, I'm investing 10 rupees and see it is benefiting 10,000 people. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anything else? Okay. So then if this part is clear that this is what you finally want to achieve, this should be evident in whatever you write and whatever you speak in your final presentation, in your pitch presentation. Okay. Now, how to make the pitch presentation is what I'm going to talk about now, and that's the last slide of today. So let us say this is a enthusiasm or energy and time graph. So whose enthusiasm and energy am I talking about?
The one who is pitching the presentation, of course.
The one who is giving the presentation.
Yes, sir.
No. I'm talking about the enthusiasm of the listener. Come to think of it, when you just go. How many of you have been to a pitch cafe ever? You just put a +1 in the chat window. We've had multiple pitch cafes at IIT, at Triple IIT Delhi also. Okay, not many, but it's okay. So when you go to a, or forget about pitch cafe, you must have reached out to your professor or someone and told them that, okay, I have an idea I want to share with you. Has it happened? So if it has happened with you, that you have shared your idea with excitement with someone, just put a +2 in the chat window. Whether it was a pitch cafe or not doesn't matter. Have you shared your idea with someone with an excitement, exuberance that, okay, I'm excited about an idea and I want to share this idea with you. बाकियों ने कभी कोई आइडिया भी नहीं शेयर करा. Very strange. Friends, are you there? Okay. So whatever it is, see, those who have shared an idea, you tell me one thing, that when you reached out to the other person and said, I want to share an idea with you, what would be their typical reaction? Wouldn't they be curious to understand, Acha, there is something, this person is so excited, let me just check out what he or she is talking about. Is it not? So they would be enthusiastic to listen to you. At least if this is the first time you're presenting anything to them, that is, if this is the 10th time and the earlier 9 times you have disappointed them, the enthusiasm would be, oh my God, fir se aa gaya. But if it is really the first time, and or not even if the first time, but amongst the first few times and earlier discussions have been very interesting, the other person will be very excited. Okay, chalo, batao, what is it? I'm happy that you come up with something that is worthy of a discussion. Is it not? So if I say that this dashed line is the average level of enthusiasm someone has, then when you go and tell this person that I want to present an idea to you, this person is curious. This person wants to listen to you. Is it not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So the enthusiasm is actually high. So what you should do when the enthusiasm is already high is you should introduce yourself. We call this a startling introduction. What does an introduction mean? Introduction should talk about your strengths, your past experience, your the reason of why you want to work on this problem, and what drives you to come and talk about this problem to this particular audience. This is something that will set the context for them. If they do not know you well yet, then जैसे मैंने अभी बताया that internal alignment is also about how much you know about the subject, and if they feel confident that you will be able to take the project through. So that thing should become evident in your introduction itself. Okay, that we've done this, we've done this kind of thing. I've published 15 papers, I have 2 patents, whatever it is. Okay, so that is what you give as a startling introduction, and you give the context that, okay, we are going to talk to you about this particular idea where this is the situation, that the old are dying, or the cancer is killing these many people, or there is no cure for cancer, blah 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 thing, whatever the thing is. Okay. Then you talk about the positive impact of your idea. See, now if the startling introduction is very, very long, what happens? What was the trend of talking at the startling introduction? It was a falling trend. If the person, dusra banda wants to come to your idea, if you just keep on ranting about yourself, oh, this, I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that, then what happens? The enthusiasm will go down. So you have to be very crisp, very short. And this introduction should not be more than, I would say, 15% of your total pitch time. 15 to 20%, not more than that. Okay. Then you talk about positive impact of your solution. So आपने अभी अपना solution explain भी नहीं करा. You just talk about that. Okay, what I'm going to talk to you about is we're talking about a system in which we will do this, we will do that. This is the technology that we intend to use. This is how things will move. And when we do this, this is how the things would change. Okay. So now, because you're talking about technical details and you're talking about the problem that you are solving, the problem that you had just described. So even if it was a patent, you started with a patent that, okay, there's this patent that we talked about. I'm going to talk to you about, let us say, a patent on ergonomic pillow or something, whatever it is, whatever product you've chosen. And we have worked on this topic for 2 years. We've done this, we've done that. Now we want to improve this patent. And what we noticed was that this patent does not have this. This patent does not. This patent does not yet solve that problem. This problem still continues to be there, and we have an idea through which we can solve this problem. We will apply the inventive principle of segmentation. We will apply the inventive principle of equipotentiality, and through by applying these two principles one after the other, and by physically separating the point of action, we will be able to solve this contradiction, blah blah blah. And therefore, we believe that this is the benefit that we will be able to give to the customers. So talking about the positive impact. And when you're talking about the positive impact, what should your tonality be? So starting introduction, you're excited. You're telling about yourself and you're telling about the context of the problem. So your enthusiasm should be reasonably high. When you're talking about the positive impact, how should your enthusiasm be? Hello? You're talking about your invention, your idea. How excited should you be? More or less? More. So the excitement should be high. Okay, because you have to rub this off onto the audience, onto the judges, onto the investors. Then you talk about, so once you've taken them to a high, so by being excited and by telling them about the positives of your ideas, you take them to this high. So where you will find the positives of your idea? Which hat do you need to find the positives of your idea? Remember the 6 hats? Which hat will bring the positives? Hello? Blue was the last hat, implementation. There was a sunshine hat. Yaad hai? Sunshine, brightness, optimism. Yellow hat. Okay. White is about facts, collecting facts. Yellow hat. So you wear on a yellow hat and you identify all the positives that are there with your idea, with your solution. And that is what you should speak when you talk about in the positive impact. Okay. Then you should actually take them to a roller coaster. Now, the next person in your presentation should enter the room. He or she should now speak the impact of not doing anything. That is, what happens if neither you do anything nor the investors fund you? So there could be different kinds of impacts. One could be that, oh, this problem will go out of hand and there would be large scale loss for the humanity. That could be one thing. Another could be that, oh, then we know that your competition is actually working on it. And sooner or later, they will be able to find an answer. See, this kind of thing would require a research of at least 2 years. So if you don't start now, then by the time you decide to start by looking at others coming up with solutions, it will be too late. And you would have missed the market window. You will actually be thrown out of this market and so on. So you have to kind of scare them. And when you're talking about, when you want to pull down the energy in the room, how should your energy be? What should your tone be? cautious, okay, concerned, actually very sad, very grim. So if you do not do this, then what happens is that the competition, it's not just, see, if this idea has come to us, it's not that this idea would not have come to anyone else also. So the competition would take up on this idea and they would work on it. See, developing this idea requires an investment of at least 2 years. So if you do not start working on it right away, then after 2 years, when you or whenever you then later decide to work on it, you would be entering the market much, after Christmas. So you would have missed the market window, and so on. So you have to link it with the market. Now I'm giving you one pitch, but depending on whether you are selling a patent or whether you are selling your idea for a product or something, you have to modify your pitch. But the important thing is that the tonality has to be grim. The tonality has to be serious, and you have to suck the energy, suck all that enthusiasm out of the air. So much so that they should now want to hear more. Oh my God, अगर ये idea really में implement नहीं करा गया तो really में नुकसान होगा. So it could be also a notional loss, that if you do not do this, then what happens is that if we take up this idea, then we, as I mentioned, we could have earned or increased the fuel efficiency to this much, and we could have saved this much amount of money. However, if we do not do this, then not only do we lose this money, our gross margins go bad. Uh, our market is very cyclical in nature, and with bad gross margins, it may happen that we may not survive the next market cycle. Or competition who does this, they would really leapfrog us, and the money that they save, they will be able to invest into more R&D projects and create more value, more innovation, and so on. So it could be notional loss also. It is not really a physical loss, but a notional loss also. Yes, Karthik, it is basically to create a sense of urgency कि नहीं करा तो कुछ नुकसान होने वाला है. And once you've created that sense of urgency in them, that is when what do? You talk about what do you need. Okay. Now, what do you need from them? It may mean that you may say that, okay, I would want to take it up as a capstone project with this particular professor. I may want to take this up as this with this particular guide. I would want to file a patent on this. I would want the incubation center to fund me. I need these kind of funds to make a prototype of this. I want access to this lab so that I can make a culture or I can make something. I want to be connected to AIMS. So what is it that you need to make this thing a reality? Whatever support you need. Now, in a real pitch, you will actually be talking about how much funds you need, for what duration you need, what kind of support you need, what kind of linkages you need. So you have to list down. So this is where you are wearing the blue hat. Okay. This is where you're wearing the blue hat, where you're talking about what I need to implement the idea. Is this clear? Are you with me? Any questions till now? Because what I'm going to talk about it after now is supremely important. तो इसलिए अभी तक कुछ सवाल हैं तो पहले वो पूछ लो. Then I will bring the next punch. That is the biggest punch actually. So उससे पहले कि कोई any questions you have, please ask. No questions? So what have we done till now? We have taken them through a roller coaster, emotional roller coaster at that. What we do then is, after we have talked about what we need to give them time to think. We need to give them time to think, to understand and commit on resources for us. So we need to just go silent. Silence is very, very uncomfortable. Extremely uncomfortable. Especially if you've gone through this kind of an emotional roller coaster just now, this silence will be killing for them. They will be prompted to ask questions. And the moment they start to ask questions, they start to own up your idea. They will want to sponsor you. They will want to support you in whichever possible way. Okay. So this silence is the biggest punch. आप इसके पहले वाले पार्ट्स में थोड़ा बहुत ऊंच नीच कर भी दोगे ना तो भी चलेगा, but if you break the silence zone, if you do not wait for them to take ownership of your idea and ask you questions, you're already doomed. And it's uncomfortable not just for them, it is uncomfortable for you also, because now you are expectantly looking at them and you want them to ask you something and they're not coming up with questions. You want them to respond, you want to understand. मैंने अब इतना बड़ा रोलर कोस्टर उनके लिए चला दिया, अब उनको मजा आया कि नहीं आया, you want to know this. But and therefore you may want to ask, अच्छा अब आपको कैसा लग रहा है, आंखों में कितना दे पाओगे, you may want to ask whatever. Don't ask, just go mum. Silence is extremely, extremely, extremely important here. Okay, and you will see that once they start to ask you questions, they will be lashed into the idea and they will want to sponsor you. Okay, any questions? Okay, so if there are no questions, then this is where my presentation ends. And now we can actually go into reviewing a few projects collectively. So any one of you who wishes to volunteer and bring forth your project for review, please do so. We will we will review it collectively. And after about, after we've reviewed one or two projects, because what my experience has been in the past two classes is that almost all of you are making the same kind of mistakes. So I felt that it would be good if we do a collective review of a few projects today before you break out into rooms. So we will review at least two projects collectively over here. I, Nitin, Anupam, all three of us will be pointing out uh, improvements and whatever it is for the projects. And then subsequently, you can break out into rooms. Okay. So who would want to volunteer and go first? I'm stopping my sharing. So which team would want to share their project first? Should I stop the recording or should the recording continue so that you can just review and go back with whatever with feedback we give on different projects? What is the opinion of the team?
Keep the recording.
We continue the recording? Okay. So which team would want to share their project for a quick review so that we can do a review and others can be a part of this review. They can also learn from this and we can then break out into rooms. Who goes first? इतना ध्यान रखो, if we are able to spend, if you are volunteering to come here and get a review done in front of the entire class, you are at an advantage because we will be spending more time with you. You will learn more. Your project will improve more because once you go into breakout rooms, last time also I noticed that there were a few breakout rooms where we could not even reach, or when we reached, we just could talk for about a minute or two. So over here, if you want to bring up your project, we can actually talk about it in detail and we can help you improve it significantly. So it's your choice. Who wants to go? Or then I will pick up people at random. Batao? Okay. Chandraveer, let's look at your project.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I am joining from the mobile, so my teammate can show on the laptop.
Yeah.
The Prachi is here.
Yes, yes, Chandri.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Can you show?
okay, okay. Okay, okay, I'm presenting 1 minute. Sir,
Yes, Prachi.
it is on sharing after I'm clicking on the button share screen, it is showing host disabled, the
Oh, so
participant sharing.
Anupam or Nitin, incidentally, I am no longer a host. So can one of you just enable participant the sharing for all participants? Or if you can make me the host, I can do that. Okay. So share screen. Can you try now, Rachi?
Yes, I'm trying 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. So
Is my
what is?
screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible, Prachi. So what is the engineering system that we're talking about over here?
Sir, it is sandals with the deconfigurable straps.
So the engineering system is a sandal with reconfigurable straps. So आपका, if you noticed in the template that we shared, Prachi, the first column always said what is the engineering system.
Yes, sir.
है ना? The name of the engineering system should actually stand out. Okay, so it said that footbed is, or the sole is one of the components, then footbed is another component, anchoring loops are a component, straps are a component, adhesive material is a component, sand is super system, user's foot is super system. So which one of these super system components is the target according to you, Prachi? Chandraveer?
Users, yes, sir.
Yeah, the foot.
Users foot and users thighs and user arm.
Target एक ही होगा.
Uh, ba- mm, target should be then users foot, sir.
Yes. So what is the main function of your engineering system?
Main function of engineering system, that is sandals. So it is acting as a beach where it will help in acting as a safety device. Also, we can say that it might act as a safety device while swimming,
No, no,
and
no.
it is
So
also holding the
use
foot.
the language of Triz and tell me what is the function of your engineering system.
Sir, actually, according to the patent, what we read in this patent.
Forget the patent. You know, now this is your product.
Yeah, yeah.
So what is the function, main function of your engineering system? आप एक sandal
So
की बात कर रहे हो. What is the main function of a sandal?
We are actually designing, developing this sandal as a sandal with a safety device too.
Mm-hmm.
So as in patent is given for the beach only, so we not only consider on the beach, we take a general scenario in which we use this sandal as a safety device. For example, for the small kids, like for the swimming areas in the beaches, So these devices can act as a floating devices, or we can use as a we can insert it as a GPS into that, so we can use it as tracking device too for our kids.
Yeah. So these are all additional functions, na Chandraveer?
Yeah.
What is the basic function? Why do I need a sandal in the first place?
Sir, to protect as was given in the patent also, it was basically to, while walking in the sand, there are some like shells or jellies which might come, jellyfish which might come under the feet. So we wear sandals to protect the foot from that.
Yeah. So you know
Sand.
that in the language of TRIZ, protect is not the right function.
Yes, sir.
So
It
what is
should
the function that you should use?
divert.
Huh?
I can use no, divert. I
Basically,
said.
where we can use like wearing a sandal or
Helping in avoiding direct contact with the sand. Like
To cushion the foot.
pushing, yes. Yeah, cushioning, you can say.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Something like that could be a better function. So why am I asking you this question? Because when you look at the main function of a engineering system, then you will know what is the target that we are looking at. So the target is the foot, because it is the main function is to cushion the foot.
Yes. And this was the
So
problem
इसलिए,
statement also
so
written.
wait. So इसीलिए when you make this component analysis, you should always put T in the bracket of the target, so that when you later define functions around it, you know that these functions are basic functions and they can't be trimmed.
Okay.
Yeah. So please go ahead.
Okay. And sir, I think some problem statement also, which as Chandveer already mentioned. So it was that in patent, the sandals with the decontractable straps are used as beachwear. Actually, the screen is not some issue. I'm facing that screen is coming in front of this problem statement. I'm unable to read that because of that. Okay. Yes. In the patent, sandals with decontractable straps are used as beachwear oblique footwear in order to protect foot from rocks oblique jellyfish. Also, sandals in patent can be made handy by tying it around thighs, oblique biceps, etc. But the patent, that the main problem is that, which lies in the patent, is that it can, which we could work upon the patent is that it could be used as a safety device as well as a security device, which Chandveer already mentioned. That, for example, sandals could even protect a person from sinking in water and could even detect his position if it goes beyond a certain depth in water.
So
Yes, sir.
this is the problem with the existing patent that you saw कि वो ये नहीं कर रहा है.
हाँ, ये लास्ट में जो लिखा सब बट के बाद वो मतलब वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व कर रहा है पेटेंट अभी.
So आप एक इंजीनियरिंग सिस्टम कह रहे हो सैंडल है, और आप उस इंजीनियरिंग सिस्टम के साथ एक सुपर सिस्टम को एसोसिएट कर रहे हो, and you are saying that this additional functionality is required in the system, which the sandal is still not able to do, and you want to make this functionality available through the sandal itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this still is not really about the problem in the patent as of now. You're now talking about a problem in a overall context, that this is a problem there that exists in this context, which this patent is not solving, and I want to solve this problem.
Sir, actually, patent it is they will not solve any problem. They just write like we can use it, but they don't. So
see, वो तो हमारे को अपनी इंटेलिजेंस लगानी है ना चंद्रवीर.
Yeah.
If they are going to tell you in the patent itself what is the problem they are solving and everything, they are going to lay it out in front of you, then you will immediately go and violate their patent.
Yeah.
So that is where you as an intelligent engineer has to use your intelligence and identify now what was the real problem for which this patent was filed.
सर बेसिकली सर इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम जो दिखा मुझे लग रहा था हमें कि मतलब सर जैसे बायंसी बढ़ाने के लिए मतलब वॉल्यूम वाटर डिस्प्लेसमेंट बढ़ाने के लिए वॉल्यूम बढ़ाना पड़ेगा उस पर्टिकुलर जो फुटवेयर है. तो मतलब आप ये कर सकते हैं कि उसका नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ये है कि उससे फुटवेयर आपका हैवी हो रहा है. तो वो एक इशू है.
Is it really the case?
ये सर मतलब इसमें था, that was given in the patent. So
Okay, so the patent was solving this problem that they wanted to
Yeah.
increase the buoyancy, but when they want to
Yes.
increase the buoyancy, the weight of the footwear would increase.
Yes.
So they actually identified the contradiction for you, and they solved that contradiction in some way.
Yeah, that we have to think upon. Like this thing they haven't solved.
Oh,
In-
this thing they haven't solved.
No,
Yeah.
this
Wow,
haven't
then you
solved.
can directly apply the inventive principles and solve it. Great. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's move forward. आगे देखते हैं.
They wrote like water swings only and left it, they have not clarified it how to solve that problem. So
But
that they
do
will
they
solve.
claim that the problem is solved in the claims? In the claims, are they saying that the problem is solved?
No sir, no sir,
Huh?
sir, no sir.
No. Okay. So you know that there is this problem. You want to increase the buoyancy, but you do not want to increase the weight, and you want to somehow solve this problem. Okay, great. So आपकी problem statement अब clear हो गई. But आपकी problem statement अभी आपने लिखी नहीं है यहाँ पे वैसी,
I will write it, sir. Surely write.
है ना?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to see?
Yes, sir. Okay. And
तो आप मुझे बता कुछ रहे हो, लेकिन आपकी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट आपने लिखी कुछ अलग हुई है यहाँ पे अभी, है ना?
yes, sir. Sir, this was the interaction matrix. This was left to cover. Only it was just diagonal using formula. I will edit it. But wherever there was interaction, a plus has been used. Wherever there was not, it was minus. We have used.
Yeah, but then this interaction matrix should be filled on the other side also,
On
na?
the other side, I need to fill it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will fill it. And
Because जब तक आपने भरा नहीं, we do not know if this interaction matrix is correct or not. Do you realize this?
yes, sir. And
So I cannot comment on it yet.
okay, okay, sir. And function analysis.
Okay, you talked about straps. Straps are the function carrier. Your foot is the target. So this is the basic function. It is useful. Great. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपने यूजर थाई और आर्म्स को भी टारगेट मान लिया है, इसलिए आपने उनको भी बेसिक कह दिया है.
Yes, sir. And
Okay. So Nitin, should we be calling it basic or should we call it additional? Because target तो हम foot को कह रहे हैं ना.
Sir, but as a floating device, we have to tie the sandals at the either thighs or the arms. That's why.
See, Anuj, they basically have a overloaded definition to what basic, function is, because they are emphasizing on this to be more a flotation device, which happens to be a shoe as well. Right?
Yes. So this also would be basic function then.
so
They
then,
have
sir,
two targets. They have two targets.
Yes.
Two
this was my
targets.
question.
Because they have two major functions of this system. They are overloaded system, and which is good. Okay.
Yes, sir. And then was this function for bed?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what.
Okay, it's fastened to the sole. It provides grip to the user foot. Okay. आपने बस यही 4 फंक्शंस लिखे हैं अभी?
नहीं सर, अभी और भी हैं.
अच्छा, ओके. ठीक है.
सर अभी लिखे. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, ठीक है. So let's go to your function analysis, graphical वाला.
So we target नहीं बस mention किया, बाकी तो draw करने की कोशिश की थी.
Okay, so again I emphasize that you should have tried to use Stack Optimizer. Yeah, उसमें आपका सब चीजें बहुत simply आ जाती. तो ठीक है, it was never mandatory and you had a choice, so that is what you do. But so आपका harmful function कहाँ हो रहा है? Adhesive material water से water को कुछ कर रहा है, आपने function absorb कर रहा है water को, okay. And water जो है जाके damage कर रहा है straps को. ओके
तो
बट
बेसिकली
अभी तो आपने मुझे एक अलग प्रॉब्लम बताई, अभी तो आपने मुझे बताया कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपको फ्लोटेशन चाहिए, बॉयंसी चाहिए, लेकिन एरिया वो वेट नहीं बढ़ाना, वो तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है इसमें। जो प्रॉब्लम आप मुझे बता रहे हो कि आप सॉल्व करना चाहते हो, वो प्रॉब्लम तो यहाँ पे है ही नहीं।
Sir, actually, these graphical representation of all the functions are not complete yet. Basically, we are working and continuously changing the thing. So that the thing we firstly identified, okay, that is confirmed, like that is harmful. So we just put in these things into this.
Okay, so if you're continuously working on it and and updating it, then I'm sure you're wasting a lot of time in just shifting one arrow from here to another, making one text box, another text box, and so on. I would still recommend it would be faster, even if you now transition into Tech Optimizer. You will be able to do it much, much faster.
Okay.
Okay, but again, it's your wish, but I'm just sharing my experience with you. That Tech Optimizer will make it much faster for you.
Sir, harmful function should be one, or can it be like 2, 3? Like
as many harmful functions as there are in the system, they all should be put there.
These two are existing. We will modify it and we will add what we said.
नहीं, अभी तो आपने वो नहीं बताया ना, जो आपका रियल प्रॉब्लम आपने मुझे कहा कि आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो फ्लोटेशन डिवाइस की, वो तो है ही नहीं इसमें अभी।
नहीं, वो अभी ऐड नहीं हुआ सर। नो,
कर देंगे सर।
Okay, so does this patent
that you should stick to the problem you believe is the most important one to differentiate your product? Because again, an overloaded statement is fine, but it seems what's happening is you are trying to define a basic system, and to add a differentiation, you have a completely different system requirement. And apparently the two are not merged in the way you are thinking about it. So if it's a flotation device, if safety is the main primary thing, I would suggest stick to it. Your engineering system, your function analysis should focus on this. If you believe you can handle both of them in the same engineering system and function analysis, no problem. But if you struggle, like it seems you are in this case, stick to the main differentiation of your solution. That will be a general guideline, not just the specific case.
Yeah.
Okay. So anything else? Nitin, you want to add anything else? I think I'm in complete agreement with you कि बहुत overload कर देंगे तो they will not be able to do anything. You should focus on one problem and resolve that to the best possible capability.
Correct.
That makes much more sense.
Right, and then it will be much easier to come up with this to have different forms of embodiments, which are not your novelty, but you can easily retarget your core invention with different embodiments. So think of it from that perspective. If there was just one thing that you did and everything else was what you picked up, what would that be? How would you be better at it? And as I said, this is not specific to your case. This is a good attempt. I think Anuj's suggestion to use Tech Optimizer will save you time. And you could iterate, you could easily have different versions of it, so on and so forth. But this statement I made is, I think, true for many other projects, because last week when we were reviewing, there was the same tendency that if I'm not able to highlight one core novelty, let me add the kitchen sink at it with many features. This is not the objective. You should be able to create one core differentiation, define an engineering system, and progress through it to make it better. Right? So otherwise you'll be you'll be distracted by having multiple modalities of your system and multiple function requirements. Keep it simple.
इनफैक्ट मेरे को तो आपका जो प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है, जो अभी आपने मेरे को बताया, वो सुन के मेरे को तो आपकी पूरी पिच मेरे माइंड में वर्कआउट कर रही है. यू कैन से दैट today we have to, when we go to the beach, we have to carry a flotation device, we have to carry this, you have to carry that, and many a times we forget something, many times something is lost. So we're talking about the problem, and therefore we are talking about a product which would serve two purposes, something that you naturally would use any point of time, and then it also serves as a flotation device once you enter water. And if you do not do this, then many times people forget to take their flotation device with them, and there are so many deaths. So you can just search the internet and see how many deaths are there because people drowned in water, or how many accidents were there because people did not use a flotation device when they entered into the sea or whatever. And you can talk about the loss of life, and you can really pull them down, the impact of not doing anything. And then you talk about, okay, now what do we want to do? Okay, we want access to the 3D lab, to the Dreamweave lab, where we want to implement this thing which would automatically expand to include to become a flotation device, and this and that, do all that. तो मेरे को तो पूरी pitch आपके mind में आ रही है, लेकिन what you're showing is not there. So, as Nitin also said, identify one key problem, solve that key problem, and sell that problem in the presentation next week. On that key problem, you should be able to use your inventor principles. You should be able to use all those things that we talked about.
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Anupam, you want to add anything?
No, I think both of you have covered it well. I think I will only add to this that what Anuj you said. So if you have one key problem identified, then that becomes your differentiator also for the new product. And the differentiator is what is going to provide you value when you actually go and take it to the market. So I think what Nitin also said, key is that you highlight one problem, and based on your analysis, what's the solution to that problem? I think that's very key to it. Otherwise, if you're trying to solve 5 problems, then it will just get diffused.
Okay. So all the best, Prachi, Chandraveer, and Shashank. We can go to another project. Who would want to present next? Again, volunteer, else I will pick up someone.
While someone volunteers, Prachi and team, I think you guys did a very good job at picking up something which could be a product for the general market. This is something that people can relate to. I think, as Anuj said, something like this would make an exciting pitch candidate. But here, you are not just pitching for products which can be easily copied. You are saying we are going to introduce key novelty and potentially follow up patenting that. And that is how we would maintain our edge and differentiation if we were to compete in the market. Okay. To an investor, this defensibility of your solution is a very important aspect, because imagine they invest their money, they market a product which then easily can be copied and sold by others. All that money has gone down the drain. So this course is identify the potential, protect the potential, and that would eventually provide more confidence to whosoever is funding this development. So you have all the good candidates in terms of what it needs, and you need to follow and focus a little more. Like we discussed.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yes, who goes next? Volunteers.
So we want to volunteer for the next project.
Yes, Mohit.
Ritik, can you please share your screen?
Oh, good. You're on Tech Optimizer.
As you last जो हमारी ऑफिस आवर्स में हमने बोला था कि एक बार ट्राई करना, so we tried it out and काफी इजी रहा. Like इंटरेक्शन मैट्रिक्स के बेसिस के ऊपर इन्होंने अपने आप फंक्शन एनालिसिस एंड वो सब कर दिए, तो काफी
So you found it much easier than what you were doing earlier, no?
Yes, sir. It was much more easier, sir.
Good.
टाइम काफी कम लगा, लाइक वरना ये सब बनाने में काफी टाइम लग जाता है.
Yeah. Good. I'm so happy that you tried. And others, I again encourage you to move to Tech Optimizer. It is really very useful. Forget about the graphics. It's a very useful tool there. It helps you make these function diagrams very, very quickly. Okay. Yes, guys, please explain.
सर जैसे लास्ट ऑफिस आवर्स में हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट कि इंटरेक्शन, सो उसके बेसिस पे इंटरेक्शन मैट्रिक्स मैंने बना ली, एंड बेस आफ्टर रीडिंग द रिव्यूज फ्रॉम द Amazon, so we pinpoint our problem statement, and as in the previous class you mentioned that focus on some of the problem statement as of now, and then we can add more feature to it, like just don't overload with the many features. So we identified our key problem statement, and so the main where should I start from, like, sorry.
So typically Mohit, you should actually, जब आपने function diagram बना दिया, you can actually talk about it as so इसमें हम usually क्या कर सकते हैं, I'm not sure यहाँ पे boundary बनाने का scope है कि नहीं engineering system की. Could you differentiate between system components and super system components initially
Yes.
in the component analysis part? अच्छा, इसीलिए वो blues और वो है. तो हम क्या करते हैं usually मोहित, हम ना whenever I work on it, I try to put all the engineering system components in one place.
Okay sir.
ठीक है, ताकि और जो मेरे टारगेट हैं और जो मेरे सुपर सिस्टम कंपोनेंट्स हैं उनको मैं थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ कर देता हूँ, ताकि मेरा इंजीनियरिंग सिस्टम मेरे टारगेट से या सुपर सिस्टम से अलग से दिखे. And then what could be good is to start to explain, okay, this is the engineering system, this is the function, where this is the sapling, which is the target. So we want to develop a hydroponic system where we would use manure, water, net pots, pipe structure, air stone, and air pump in the hydroponic portable hydroponic system to nurture and grow the saplings.
Okay sir.
So define the, so आप फोटो जब दिखाओगे तो आप चीजों को just point, लेजर पॉइंटर के थ्रू पॉइंट करके you can quickly take them to this is what we want to do. And since you will then make a snapshot of this and paste it in your PPT, you can do much more. You can make a cloud around it and say that this is my engineering system, this is my super system, and you can explain the functionality by fading something in and out and so on.
Sure sir. So first okay, so as मेरे को ये था कि आपको तो पता है, like बाकी को नहीं पता.
But others don't know ना.
So first of all, let me tell you about the product that we are working on. Ritvik, do we have Amazon tab open up, like the kit जो थी वहाँ पे? Okay. So let me just give you a brief idea about our product as of now. So it is a hydroponic kit. So if you don't know about hydroponic, so what होता क्या है कि अभी जो basic जो plants, so thank you very much. Yeah. So this is a hydroponic kit. So basically hydroponic kit में ये होता है कि हम जब sampling grow करते हैं, we grow in the water, not in the soil or something, just in the water. And इस पर्टिकुलर जो प्रोडक्ट पे हम काम कर रहे हैं, इसके इट इंक्लूड्स द मेन हार्डवेयर सिस्टम दैट यू कैन, ऊपर जो दिखाई दे रहा है टैब के, इसमें 5 नेट पोर्ट है. सो उसके अंदर सैपलिंग जाती है, एंड देन उसके नीचे एयर पंप दे रखा है राइट में. आई डोंट नो गाड़ी, कैन यू जस्ट, सो इट इज़ द एयर पंप. सो एयर पंप क्या करता है कि बिकॉज वाटर के अंदर हो रहा है तो वाटर की ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेशन कम हो जाती है. सो टू इंक्रीज द oxygen concentration regularly, so this air pump is used basically. And then we have these 3 bottles are actually NPK for the nutrition, for maintaining the nutrition level of the water. And then there is a dropper beside it, and there are some coco peat and all this manure. So this is the product basically. So you can just plant it anywhere in your home, and so this is how it works. Like, and इसमें पानी होता है, तो ये product है basically. And so and I can explain the working. So simple working है, पहले हम वो डालते हैं, सैम्पलिंग उगाते हैं, पानी डालते हैं, उसमें मैन्योर ऐड करते रहते हैं टाइम टू टाइम, एयर पंप यूज़ करते हैं ताकि ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ जाए, एंड बस यही है, लाइक मेन यही होता है। फायदा ये होता है हाइड्रोपोनिक का कि बहुत जल्दी जल्दी ग्रो करते हैं प्लांट्स, बिकॉज उन्हें वाटर के लिए लाइक डीप रूट्स नीचे नहीं जाना पड़ता, काफी लाइक मॉइस्चर एंड पानी के लिए ढूंढना नहीं पड़ता ज़्यादा, तो प्लांट जल्दी जल्दी ग्रो करते हैं, तो इसका फायदा ये होता है। सो अभी जो सिस्टम करंटली प्रेजेंट है, हाँ, एंड अगर सॉइल नहीं होती, सो लाइक देयर इज नो सॉइल, सो इसमें लाइक डिसीज एंड बाकी सब चीज़ों का जो लाइक डेंजर होता है काफ़ी कम हो जाता है। तो लाइक काफ़ी ऑर्गेनिक, ज़्यादा फर्टिलाइजर ऐड नहीं करने पड़ते इसमें बेसिकली। सो व्हाट इज़ द जो अभी इशू है इनके साथ, वो ये है गाड़ी। ऋत्विक, सॉरी, कैन यू प्लीज गो ओवर द interaction or the function analysis actually, so we can just pinpoint the problems that we are facing. So yeah, so as you can look up in this particular graph, ki user है, sapling है, air है, air stone, so I didn't mention what the air stone, sorry. So air stone is just attached to the air pump so that it can just diffuse air in the water properly. So after reading the reviews on the Amazon, Ritik, can you please go to the pain points that we mentioned? There was some issues with it. And the first and foremost was the standing water, because सिर्फ 15 से 20 मिनट air pump on होते हैं दिन में, so most of the time is the standing water, and standing water is मतलब होता like common sense भी है कि काफी unhygienic हो जाएगा. So yeah, so one of the problem was the standing water, and second one was about the maintaining the nutrition and pH level of the water, because not everyone is so much like qualified to just review it every time. Like you have to maintain pH so that the plants won't die, and you have to maintain the nutrition level so that plants grow properly. So every week you have to take some like water sample, and then you have to test it on your own, so that you can add the appropriate value of the nutrition to the water. So people find it very hectic, and usually not everyone is so well qualified for it. Like अगर मैं अपने पापा को दे दूंगा कि आपको ये सब करना है, एंड उन्होंने कभी ड्रॉपर यूज़ नहीं किया, उन्होंने कभी किट यूज़ नहीं की, लाइक न्यूट्रिशन केमिकल्स के साथ कभी काम नहीं किया बेसिकली, सो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इशू था सबके साथ. और थर्ड वन वाज अबाउट द वाटर, जो वाटर एडिंग का पार्ट था, कि उन्हें पता नहीं था कि लाइक काफ़ी छोटा सा पॉइंट था वैसे तो ये, बट ये था कि उन्हें दिखता नहीं था वाटर लेवल कितना है, सॉरी, सो उनको पता नहीं चलता था वाटर लेवल कितना है, सो दे विल जस्ट ऐड इट टिल लाइक वो ऊपर तक भर नहीं जाता, तब तक वो करते थे. सो मेन इशू वाज अबाउट द न्यूट्रिशन, की उन्हें पता नहीं कितना लेवल ऐड, लाइक कितना न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू ऐड करनी है, कितना नाइट्रोजन डालना है, फॉस्फोरस डालना है, पोटेशियम डालना है, वो सब चीज़ें, तो काफ़ी इशू था इसको लेके. So our problem statement is basic. We are focusing on two problem statement as of now, like not two problem statement, but two basic problems. One is about the standing water, and second one is about the adding the nutrition value and maintaining the pH level of the water basically. So what we find out in after this function analysis, that there was some of the function that was not efficient actually, like user adding manure, and the user adding water was not sufficient as of now.
Okay.
And the harmful function was about the, I don't know like how it was actually a doubt. So जैसे water अभी environment पे फर्क डाल रहा है, like it's not about the engineering, it is not affecting the engineering system itself, but it is affecting the environment around it, like unhygienic हो रहा है काफी ज़्यादा. तो should we put it in the like it is functioning on the air, because हमने सोचा था कि environment air से
you can say
ओके सर. सो हमने वही डालना था कि, और दूसरा ये था कि स्टैंडिंग वाटर है तो जो पाइप स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसकी रोबस्टनेस पे फर्क पड़ता है उससे काफी.
स्टैंडिंग वाटर से आई कैन आल्सो चैलेंज यू कि डेंगू होने का डर भी रहेगा.
यस सर, एक्चुअली सर.
ओके.
एंड सो मेनली जो मैन्योर वाला पार्ट था ये काफी अनएफिशिएंट था, लाइक इट्स नॉट हार्मफुल, मतलब लाइक अगर यू नो देन इट्स एफिशिएंट, एंड इफ यू डोंट नो देन either you are adding low value or you are adding just too much of to it. So we are focusing on these problem statement as of now.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So अब contradiction कहाँ है?
Sorry sir.
Now where is the, ठीक है, we have understood the problem statement that we want to somehow make adding manure easy and we somehow want to make adding water easy. But now, what is stopping you from doing that?
In the current system,
Yeah. Or any solution that you think of, what is the problem that is stopping you from doing that? Because that is where you will be able to then identify a engineering contradiction or a physical contradiction. So what is stopping you from not making adding water easy?
So we've actually not proceeded beyond this point, but we're working on it, and
Okay.
we were unclear about certain things. So yeah, this is pretty much what all we've done.
Okay. Nitin, you want to add something? So they are here yet, but for going further, you have to now start to ask questions of how do I solve these, or how do I make this insufficient function sufficient, or what do I need to do to make this function better?
yes, sir.
Nitin, you want to add something?
Yeah, so as you all know, right, function analysis is a part to help you identify your problem better. It is not TRIZ. It was only an augmentation to help you get to the point where you use TRIZ tools. So first is at the functional diagram level, did you guys identify, apart from the harmful and the insufficient function or insufficient interactions, did you identify something that shouldn't be there in the system and would rather be better trimmed off? So is trimming something, is this an output of your trimming analysis, or this was just your initial description of existing systems and you have a plan to look at trimming also?
So we haven't looked at this as of now.
You haven't looked at trimming as well. Okay. So my suggestion is that trimming and some of the TRIZ tools are complementary techniques, and you might make an attempt at trimming as well. And as Anuj said, identifying what is the key engineering contradiction that you have if you're trying to improve the system. That would be another case. And it might be that you have two potential system improvements and you will have to decide which one is the most promising. It is also possible that you have a trimmed system which then further gets improved using one of these contradiction techniques in terms of resolution. That could also be a possible strategy, but you will have to stick with it, and what works for you would not work for others and vice versa. So please pay more attention on this. It's a good attempt to represent your system and its interaction, but this is only the starting point. At this stage, it is very difficult for me to comment if you have identified what your core challenge is and how would you define this in terms of contradictions that you can apply one some of the engineering tools, TRIZ tools that you have learned in this course. So it's unclear how far you are from that stage, but I would encourage you to reach there and then look for feedback through an office hour or something like that to help you move faster. It's a good starting point, no doubt, but it's just a starting point.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Great. So thank you guys, all the best. Anyone else wants to go now, or should we break out into rooms? I think we can take one more project and then we can take a short break and then break out into rooms. Anyone else wants to go volunteer to share their project with us so that entire class can learn from it? Neelam, would you want to do that? Would your team want to project?
Yes, sir. Just Sir, is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is.
Sir, first we have identified the problem with this patent. My patent is that sleeping bag on rollers, which convert into a backpack.
Mm-hmm.
So we find that practically there is a infeasibility with the because of this this roller one thing, wheels on this backpack basically.
Mm-hmm.
So we are working with to make it feasible and more convenient to user without these wheels and fulfill all the functionality which it has already basically.
Mm-hmm.
So we have done with the interaction matrix and that component one. So I'm sharing that thing. Just wait, sir. Salil, am I audible? Salil and Soumya, you can also join and discuss our this patent.
Yeah. So what would you call as your main function of your system? So we need to understand what is the target.
So this is basically like if we want to go somewhere, so like it's a complete one sleeping bag as well as where we can put our some luggage kind of thing, and we can it's very handy type. We can roll it like a bag and can contain with us and go somewhere else and use it as a sleeping bag.
You're saying you're talking about a convertible backpack.
Yeah, convertible backpack.
So what are the main functions of this convertible backpack?
Sir, the idea that they have proposed in the patent, in that
तुम बताओ, उन्होंने जो करा वो तुमने पढ़ लिया. अब बताओ what are the main functions of this convertible backpack, because with that we will be able to identify the target/targets.
Okay. So, sir, the product that we are working on, it will be used as a sleeping bag only.
It will not be so used as a luggage.
No,
backpack?
sir. Not to carry things.
Okay, so आप ये कह रहे हो कि आप एक sleeping bag पे काम कर रहे हो. So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
target then?
Bag itself.
The bag is the engineering system. Why is this bag existing? Why would you want to carry this bag with you? What is the function of the bag?
Sir, this is for a child as they go to their friend's room basically. So some toiletry or some small components they can carry with this bag basically, sir. There are many pockets. And
so what you're saying is that the target is the child or the user.
Yes, sir.
The bag, if I look at regular sleeping bag, the primary function of the bag is to keep to give a good quality of sleep to the user, so to keep the user warm. I'm not sure if you've seen a sleeping bag. उसके ऊपर एक rating होती है कि कितने degree तक this bag is comfortable. Have you seen a sleeping bag? There is typically a rating that comes with it, that this bag is good until 10 degrees Celsius or 15 degrees Celsius or minus 10 degrees Celsius and so on. And that changes the cost of the bag, because to have a good quality of sleep, you should feel a little warm. Did I speak Latin?
No.
I agree. I'm not aware of that, the rating thing that you told, but yes, the main purpose that it should provide warmth to the person who is using it.
And then there could be additional functions like it should be able to carry toiletries, it should be able to carry some little things. There could be a pocket where I could put these things. And then when I want to sleep, I should remove those things from the pocket, otherwise they will hurt me.
Yes, sir.
And when I will turn in the bed, then it will hurt me. Okay. So the target then is the user, the person who is going to sleep into it. So you should put T in brackets when you talk about the user there.
Okay, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Also, the target isn't like children or anything. It's just like a regular sleeping bag users. It's like when you need to go camping or anything like that. It's not for children going to their friends' houses, just to clarify.
So you have to tell me. जिस तरह से अभी मुझे बताया गया, the target is the child who is going to his or her friend's place.
Yeah, that's not the case.
Okay, so then you explain. What is the target? What is the main purpose of this engineering system that you guys are working on? What is the main purpose? Because that will help us define what the target is or what the targets are.
So the main purpose is just to have an extremely portable sleeping bag system. So in the implementation of the patent that you're referring to as like a base kind of thing, how they implemented the portability was to add wheels to it. So after you rolled it up, you could transport it like a suitcase type.
Okay. So what is still the target of the sleeping bag?
The target of sleeping bag is to have a portable way of...
No.
Like
We are talking about the purpose of the patent. The purpose of the patent was to improve the portability of the sleeping bag.
Yes.
So we're not talking about the purpose of the patent. We're talking about your engineering system. What is your engineering system?
About our system. Sorry, I'm confused if you're referring to the like original patent or like our improvement one.
No. Even in the original patent, there was an engineering system in place, is it not?
Yes.
What was the engineering system in the original patent?
A foldable sleeping bag.
A sleeping bag. Now it was foldable is a parameter, is a feature of the bag, but the engineering system is a sleeping bag. Portability is one of the parameters. It's one of the features of the bag. It is not the target.
Let me ask another clarifying question. Is the system that you're designing adding portability to any sleeping bag, or is the sleeping bag an inherent part of your system, which happens to be also portable? Yeah, the answer to this question will make your engineering system slightly different.
I think it's the latter. Like this system will not be able to enhance the functionality of existing sleeping bags. It will need to be a specific sleeping bag designed in this particular way.
So it is a sleeping bag primarily, which whose the parameter of improvement is its portability.
Yes.
Okay. So then your engineering system is essentially talking about something which also happens to be a sleeping bag, should fit the requirements and needs of sleeping bags, and on top of it is portable. Now you have to identify which of these system requirements of the sleeping bag are contradicting with portability.
Okay, so is that referring to sleeping bags in general or the particular patent that we want to make an improvement on?
No, we're talking about your engineering systems, Salil. But we want to look at the engineering system. So the most basic question is, why does the sleeping bag exist? Because that will define the target. Once we have the target, we will be able to tell which functions are basic functions, which functions are auxiliary functions, which functions are additional functions.
Okay, so like I guess at the most basic level, sleeping bags exist because you need somewhere to sleep and you don't want to carry a bed with you.
So the target will still be the user.
User,
right?
sir. Target is still user, sir. Whether it's child or someone else.
Salil, is that the same thought that you also have, or you think differently?
I think I'll go with them. Maybe I'm just confused.
No. But this is the point. That is where I wanted people to volunteer so that we can help clarify stuff. That is the intent. So where is the confusion?
Can you just explain the question again, please?
So what is the main purpose of the sleeping bag? The sleeping bag that you have in your patent, what is the main purpose of the sleeping bag? Why would anyone need to carry it at all?
To have a comfortable space to sleep anywhere.
So who is sleeping?
The person.
So which is the target then?
User, still the user.
The person. Sahil, does this help?
Yes, that makes sense.
So now that you're carrying a sleeping bag, now you make the function model of the sleeping bag. And in the patent, there is a model which says that there are some rollers also. Okay, great. Now you show me where is the interaction matrix. So first आपका target clear हो, then हम आगे जाएंगे कि अच्छा which are the auxiliary functions, which are the additional functions, which are the basic functions. So can we have a look at your interaction matrix? Okay, whether, okay, bedspread, pillows, strap, rollers, ground, user, toiletries, gravity. Okay. I'm not really checking if आपने सारे वो करे हैं कि नहीं करे हैं, but I just want to see if this matrix is symmetrical or not. Okay. Symmetrical तो नहीं लग रही है. अच्छा नहीं है.
No, sir, it's a symmetric one.
Okay, it is symmetrical. Okay, let's move forward. So where is the function diagram?
Sir, we are still working with function diagram, sir. Actually, we are trying to use that tech optimizer tool, sir. So facing some issues, sir. That's
Okay. You're facing an issue with tech optimizer. Just unzip it again and reuse it, reinstall it.
okay, sir. Because this time I want to use that tool only, sir.
Yeah, but do it fast. Just 1 week left and you have to get the thing there.
We have studied this patent very thoroughly and like problem and all this. So it won't take much time, sir.
Okay, but अभी तो हमें problem पता ही नहीं ना, problem कहाँ है? We do not yet know where is the harmful function, where is an insufficient function, that is not yet recorded. So what do we solve? वो ही नहीं पता लग रहा है अभी तो आपके system में.
Sir, main is portability and that feasibility basically due to that wheels, because every time we have to remove those wheels or that is very bulky things.
Okay.
So,
essentially, we have identified an issue with the current portable system that involves wheels, and we have decided on, or like we have proposed another solution.
Okay, so you want to the harmful. So आपके rollers हैं, rollers are somewhere having a harmful function. What? So rollers will have a harmful function with the user there, that the user has to remove the wheels, and this is not what you want. Am I right?
There are more issues to rollers than just that.
Okay, but they should be then evident in your interaction matrix. So some function of the rollers is not going on well. So which function would that be? Because there has to be some interaction there.
It's primarily with the ground is the issue. Like in places in like outdoor areas where you're expected to use a sleeping bag, the rollers just really aren't practical at all. Like it's like if you've seen the rollers that are on suitcases, they really like they're those like small kind of fiddly things, and they get damaged very easily, and they're not practical for surfaces that aren't absolutely smooth. Yeah. So our main improvement is to add a different kind of rolling functionality that doesn't involve these rollers.
Okay. Okay, so your interaction of rollers with the super system component ground is which is harmful, and that harmful function is what you are going to work on and improve.
Why
Yes.
talk about the sleeping bag at all? Because then we are talking about just improved rollers that could be used anywhere.
Yeah.
The other benefit of removing these rollers is because in a sleeping bag, in the original system, you have to store them in a pocket in the sleeping bag. That can be uncomfortable, so that's why it applies to a sleeping bag specifically, because you don't want to sleep on rollers.
Hmm.
Yeah, you see, this is another case where we have to see, are we adding more functionality and trying to relate things which probably can be unrelated? Could you be thinking of designing a better roller system whose embodiment could be a sleeping bag, could be a duffel bag, could be many other things? Or do you really think you are
With our
still
solution,
focused
it
on a
can't
sleeping
really
bag?
with our solution, it can't really be a duffel bag or any other kind of bag. It's specifically for sleeping bags. Like it just wouldn't work.
Okay, fine. So if you guys think that sleeping bag is still and the roller system is an integral part, be it, but don't create it artificially. That's the only caution I would assert at this stage. Make sure that these are generally related at an integral level, because if you don't do that, you would be forming synthetic engineering contradictions, which will not be, there might not be too much novelty when you go about it, because separation would become very easy in that case. Okay. So
So like,
try and get to a point where the problem is really a fundamental problem, and it is worth solving.
sure. Just to clarify a little bit why it has to be a sleeping bag, is because it involves rolling up the bag, which you can't really do with like a suitcase or like a duffel bag or like any other kind of bag. That's why it's like kind of like the sleeping bag part of it is built into the system.
Yes, but I could always think of it that you can roll the sleeping bag from one side in a specific way. So the place where the rollers will always be on one specific outer side. So, you could have a sleeping bag which need not be rolled in whichever way, and the rollers have to accommodate. Rollers can still be at a fixed part, which could be an additional frame, which you attached once the sleeping bag is rolled itself. So again, my point is, think hard if the problem really is connected the way you think it is. If it is, no problems. But I just, again, that caution that don't create things because you imagined them that way the first time.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Great, guys. All the best. So we will take a. I will stop the recording now, and we will take a 5 minutes break, and then we'll come back and we will go into our breakout rooms to work on the project. Then I, Nitin, and Anupam will just take around and help you with your specific projects. Is that fine? So we'll restart at 12:36.